Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm back with another custom drawing again for Greg Pratt. After he commissioned me with this Goku Super Saiyan 3 vs Kid Buu drawing, this time he wanted Goku Super Saiyan 3 fighting Kale and Caulifla. That's another great idea as I don't draw females often, so this is a perfect opportunity to practice. And today I will draw on an A4 size paper in portrait mode, and I will try to fit these 3 characters in here in a cool way. Alright guys, I will talk to you again when the drawing is done, so let's get right into it. Like the video, subscribe if you are new, and let's go. So guys, last touch and then another custom drawing is done. And this one also turned out pretty good. It's a very clean artwork. I love the shades, expressions, proportions, colors and the auras. I really thought a lot about on how to draw these three characters together in a fight, and eventually I thought that Kale and Caulifla attacking Goku while he is powering up and while everyone has battle damage would be an amazing shot. I really like the drawing and Greg is also very happy with his second custom drawing. I really appreciate the orders guys, and if you are also interested in a custom drawing like this, you can also message me on Instagram. For original drawings and prints, check out my online shop, and for some free support, just like the video, subscribe to both of my channels and leave a comment. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you all on the next